If you look at technology now, you look at cyber nation, you look at the submarine cables that are the source and the basis of communication in the world, whether they are on the Atlantic Ocean or the Pacific Ocean or the Mediterranean Sea or the Indian Ocean, all these will be disabled. If we look at the area of the supply, the international supply chain, the movement of seagoing vessels, the world is so interconnected, it will be the case that Africa will be affected. If you look at terrestrial and extraterrestrial equipment, you can rest assured that Africa will be affected. Knowing so as we do, what then must we do as the African continent to ensure that we do not bear the brunt of the Third World War as a sitting duck? It is not easy to say what we can do. We cannot create an iron dome. Perhaps the best we can do is to persuade the world that we should not have the Third World War. That is why Africa must be interested in peacekeeping, because if we don't keep the peace, then Africa is going to be affected in a major way. And going forward, therefore, it is in the interest of the African continent to ensure that our mantra is peacekeeping, because as it is now, Africa will be a sitting duck, and a sitting duck that will be devastated like the rest of the world. The argument of some that Africa cannot be affected is one that is not informed by the reality of the moment. We are already seeing that even a small conflict such as in Gaza, such as in Ukraine, affects us in terms of food supply, so that a Third World War will create such hunger, even if we talk about it. Remember, Africa still imports quite a number of things. Our technology is imported. We are importing grain. You remember we have said that we are importing eggs. We are importing most of our spare parts. And all these will be disrupted in the event of a Third World War. In fact, sometimes I imagine to myself that in the first 1 week only, it shall be so devastating that the world will stand to Stone Age. And if it stands to Stone Age, it means that even the diseases that we had conquered will come back. There'll be no vaccination. Polio will be back. Measles will be back. Malaria will be back. All of these diseases will be back. A Third World War is undesirable. Africa must not want it. The world must not want it. It is our duty as humanity that we must not want it.